Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 5 on a jet black cloth seating surface with heated front seats, have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera. Outside the vehicle, we have black alloy wheels, a 2-inch factory lift, black assist steps, as well as our powered tailgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, as well as power windows, some storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow as well as drive mode, transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as all of our lighting controls, electronic parking brake a little bit below with audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. If we foot on the brake and we have a push to start ignition, so if we hit that, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system. Moving down below that, when we turn the vehicle off, we can see we have our rear seat reminder, all of our wiper controls on our turn signal. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has cruise, as well as our heated steering wheel, and our audio controls behind. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, our hands-free. This is our controls for our display cluster information system. And we also have more audio controls on the back, shifter above, and our push to start ignition below. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle. On our radio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, as well as Spotify and Alexa. You can also see that we have our phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, user settings, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, trailering lights. Second page, we have our apps, OnStar. Camera is our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines, Sirius XM, My Chevrolet, as well as Alexa, Maps Plus, and Spotify. We have some storage above our infotainment system. Below it, we have all of our controls, our volume, home, seek, back, as well as menu controls if we don't want to use the touchscreen. Dual zone front climate control, so we can independently control on either side with our fan control in the center, as well as our front and rear defrost and our air conditioning. Below it, we have our heated driver seat and our heated passenger seat. Then across the bottom, we have our downhill assist, auto stop start, our power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and a way to turn on the 120 volt plugs, an integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 120 volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Below that, we have some storage, 2 cup holders with storage in the center, leather finish center console with storage on top. We have some deep storage in the console itself, as well as a USB-C, USB, aux, and an SD slot in the front. Power driver seat is finished in, or passenger seat is finished in our jet black cloth with our heated function. Lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons at the front, dome lighting controls on either side, our dome lighting with door open, as well as for the whole vehicle. Then we have our power sliding third rear window, and our universal garage door opener with 3 settings. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, before our front door we have our Z71 badging for our off-road package. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap, and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have paint match capped mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles, black assist steps across the bottom of the vehicle. We have our Trail Boss badging at the back, as well as our factory 2-inch lift. Then we have our mud flaps, as well as corner bumper step. All the way at the back, we have our Chevrolet etched into our bumper, as well as our Silverado and LT badging, dual chrome exhaust tips, and trailer tow at the bottom. Power tailgate with a single press release. In the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, an 120 volt plug, as well as cable tie downs in the front and the back, and our spray-on Chevtex bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, some wood trim, as well as our storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle itself, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders in the back of our center console. Then we have our 2 vents, a USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug for charging for the rear passengers. Second row seat is a 60/40 folding bench finished in our jet black cloth. In our center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders with some storage, power sliding third rear window. Back of the seats, we have our storage pockets. We also have our under-seat storage that we can access by lifting up on our seats. And we can see our storage as well as vinyl floor mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Cadillac soon.